What does it take to build the most expensive new car ever created? Not just a hypercar, not just a Bugatti, but a one-of-one masterpiece valued at nearly $18 million. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This is not mass production. This is not automation at scale. This is art, engineering, heritage, and obsession, fused into carbon fiber, titanium, and horsepower. Today, we take you inside Bugatti's secretive factory, where a small group of elite engineers and craftsmen spent thousands of hours building a car that only one human on Earth will ever own. Welcome to the world of La Voiture Noire. The black car at La Voiture Noire is not just a modern hypercar. It is a tribute on the 1930s. Jean Bugatti designed one of the most beautiful cars ever made, the Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. Only 4 were built. One of them, painted black, vanished during World War II and was never seen again. That lost car became legend. Nearly 80 years later, Bugatti decided to revive that spirit, not by copying the past, but by reimagining it through modern technology. The result was La Voiture Noire, a car that connects pre-war elegance with 21st century engineering. Bugatti's factory in Molsheim, France is unlike any other automotive facility in the world. There are no loud assembly lines, no rushing robots, no mass production schedules. Instead, the atmosphere feels more like a luxury watch atelier or an art studio. Only a small, hand-selected team was allowed to work on La Voiture Noire. Every step of the build was confidential. Even many Bugatti employees never saw the full car until it was complete. This was engineering under absolute secrecy. Before a single part was built, the design process took years. Bugatti designers worked closely with aerodynamicists, engineers, and historians. Unlike other cars, no shortcuts were allowed. The body lines had to respect Bugatti heritage, optimize airflow, be manufacturable by hand, and look perfect from every angle. Of what Noire has no sharp edges, yet it looks aggressive, no unnecessary creases, yet it feels powerful. Every curve was tested in digital simulations, wind tunnels, physical clay models until perfection was reached. The entire body of La Voiture Noire is made from hand-laid carbon fiber. This is not standard carbon fiber. Each panel was created from scratch, molded, individually cured for daisy, inspected by hand. The black finish, it is not paint in the traditional sense. It is a deep, mirror-like carbon weave, polished layer by layer to reveal depth and texture. One mistake would mean restarting the entire panel. Some single body parts took months to perfect. At the core of La Voiture Noire is Bugatti's legendary 8.0-liter W16 engine. This engine alone is a mechanical masterpiece. 16 cylinders for 1,500 horsepower, enormous torque delivered smooth. Engine is assembled by hand. One engineer builds one engine from start to finish. It takes several weeks of meticulous work, measuring tolerances, balancing components, and turbos, testing every connection. Once assembled, the engine is tested for hours under extreme conditions. Only when it performs perfectly is it allowed into the car. Power alone is useless without control. But engineers had to make sure Voiture Noire could handle immense torque, stable at extreme speeds, stay comfortable at low speeds. The cooling system alone is a marvel. Multiple radiators, advanced airflow channels, temperature control. The exhaust system features 6 exhaust tips, designed not only for performance but also as a visual tribute to classic Bugatti design. Everything serves both function and beauty. Inside La Voiture, luxury is understated, not flashy. There are hand-stitched leather surfaces, custom aluminum controls, carbon fiber trim. Every material was chosen specifically for this one car. Even the stitching pattern was designed exclusively Bugatti. Artisans worked for hundreds of hours on the interior alone. No two surfaces feel the same. Every detail is intentional. It is not just a cockpit. It is a tailored suit on wheels. Voiture Noire is not designed to shout. It whispers what at over 400 km/h. Active aerodynamics adjust constantly. Rear diffuser intakes, cooling vents. The long, flowing rear spine is a direct homage to the Type 57 Atlantic. That is not decoration. It stabilizes airflow and increases DOWNFORCE, beauty. Guided by physics. Before delivery, the car underwent brutal testing. Despite being a collector's piece, it had to meet Bugatti standards. Heat testing, vibration testing, high-speed validation, road testing. Every rattle, sound, or imperfection was addressed. Bugatti does not deliver almost perfect. Only perfect is acceptable. At nearly $18 million, La Voiture Noire became the most expensive new car ever sold. But what does that price really represent? Thousands of man-horse-and-off engineering, materials, exclusive craftsmanship, history reborn. This is not just transportation. It is a rolling sculpture, a technological statement, a one's creation. Bugatti has never officially revealed the owner. What we know is there is only one. It was commissioned privately and it will likely never be sold. The owner doesn't just own a car, they own a chapter of automotive history. La Voiture Noire is proof that in a world of mass production, True craftsmanship still exists. It reminds us that when engineers, designers, and artists work without limits, something extraordinary can be born, not to compete, not to dominate, but to endure. This is not just the world's most expensive hypercar, this is Bugatti's soul, forged in carbon fiber and steel.